Hello. So today we are going to connect to our remote computer and we are going to control it using a smartphone, and we are going to demonstrate this using two methods. One, we will have someone already at the computer, someone will be able to accept our connection, and the second method, we are going to connect to the remote computer, and in this case we don't need anyone to accept our connection. We will just use a password. So stick to the end and you will learn how to do this. So excited. Now we're going to download a software called Anydesk. It's freely available, though it has a free and a paid version. But the free version of the community version will be okay for us. It has all the features that we are going to utilize. So download it and open it. The good thing about the whole thing is you can just test the software before installing it. So you just open it. But in our case, I've used the software before, and because I'm interested in it, I'll just go ahead and install it. Just click on the install button. Just click and it will install it. I accept everything without even reading. And it gives us a unique address. So this is the address that anybody can connect to my computer using. So at this point, I go to my smartphone, our app store, and search for Anydesk. Anydesk. We'll pick our first option and download it. It's not a huge software, so it'll just take seconds to download. And here we go. You can go ahead and open the application. Remember, our computer on the other end has Anydesk running. Our smartphone will be assigned a unique address too, so that if I wanted to connect, it will be easy. So I input the computer address on my phone, and then we are going to hit connect. We will get a notification on the remote computer that someone wants to connect to that computer. If I hit connect, we now have the access to the computer. I can now browse, install application. I can even shut down the computer from the smartphone. Now we are going to set a password so that if there's no one to accept our request, we can just connect directly and do our stuff. I'll go to the preferences and click set password. We input the password, and I would advise you to use a strong password, something no one can be able to guess or brute force. Then I click apply, and we are going to test using the same smartphone. We will see whether this time we can be able to connect without having someone at the other end to accept our connection. We go to our smartphone as usual, open Anydesk, and click on the address of my computer. As you can see, it is asking for a password. I put the password and we're in. You see, that was quite easy. So that's how we can be able to connect to our computer, even control a computer that's far away. And it's that easy. So I'll be putting this kind of content out there so that we can be able to be good together. And like our video, subscribe to the channel, and if you like what you are doing, tell others who are interested in the content that you are going to be putting out there. Thank you.